Hey guys, Brandy with Horizon Trailers here. Behind me is the HZ5 dump trailer. This is a small trailer perfect for the small jobs. It's a great trailer to have on the yard for hauling dirt, gravel, or sand. Also, with the ramps it has, it's great for loading a small tractor or a four-wheeler. This trailer comes in either 8-foot or 10-foot, with the 8-foot having single axle and the 10-foot having dual axles. The side height options on this trailer are either 18 inches, 2, 3, or 4-foot options. The axles are either the 3.5K or 5.2K electric brake Lippert axles. The one behind me is the 10-foot dual axle with 5.2K Lippert axles and 18-inch sides. Let's take a look at all the features it has to offer. At the front of this trailer, it features a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler rated at 15,000 pounds, a 1/4-inch safety chains, and a breakaway system for extra security on the road. The jack is a drop leg jack rated at 7,000 pounds. In between the tongue, it has a lockable toolbox which houses the battery, hydraulic pump, and battery charger. The remote on this pump is either power up, power down, or gravity down. It also features a little extra storage for tools or equipment you need. The tongue and main frame on this dump trailer is the 6-inch I-beam weighing in at 8.5 pounds per foot. On the side is a spare tire mount with an optional spare tire. Another thing you will notice on our trailers are the rounded sides, which not only make it more stylish, but a lot more durable. And this trailer has the ramps welded on the side. The fenders on this trailer are 14-gauge diamond plate steel fenders. At the rear of this trailer, it features a 3-way gate with the standard barn doors and also the spreader gate for spreading gravel or sand. Opening the barn doors on this trailer, it features the D-rings for securing the doors so that they don't come down when you unload your load. Inside the dump, it also features 4 D-rings welded for securing your cargo. The dump height is at 24 inches with a dump width of 60 inches. The flooring of this dump is made of 10-gauge steel and with 12-gauge steel for the sides. At the front and top of the dump, it features a manual tarp kit which comes standard. Unlike all of our other trailers, this trailer is certified to be manufactured in compliance with the NATM guidelines. Like all of our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process, making sure that the paint is top quality and durable. Another feature we have is the dual tone color option for the frame and dump. You can choose 10 colors for the frame and 10 colors for the dump. That gives you a total of 100 different color combinations to really personalize this trailer to you. This is all for now. Until next time.